UCD is one of the largest, most established centres of learning in Ireland. UCD Professional Academy combines academic heritage with modern ambition to provide industry-leading professional courses. Our Professional Academy diplomas are designed to help you build career momentum. Our short courses teach practical, applied skills to support you to achieve your career and business goals. Data drives innovation and decision-making across industries. And in this hands-on course, you'll learn how to unlock its potential using Python. In this course, you'll master the skills to work with large data sets. You'll master concepts in data extraction, manipulation, and visualization, and learn how to turn data analytics into actionable insights. With libraries like pandas, NumPy, matplotlib, and seaborn, you'll uncover valuable information from diverse data sources. You'll also dive into the CRISP DM methodology, the foundation of data science, focusing on data understanding and preparation. This course will teach you essential techniques for extracting and preparing data no matter its source. Finally, you'll learn how to present your findings through impactful visualizations. The demand for analytics specialists is rapidly increasing across industries like finance, healthcare, marketing, and more. The skills gained in this course will position you to excel in a wide range of fields supporting data-driven decisions and driving business growth. A career in data analysis offers very strong job prospects, excellent salary potential, and significant career progression opportunities. This course is perfect for professionals across any industry or department who need to manipulate and visualize large data sets as part of their role. It's also ideal for those looking to build a career in data science or data analytics. However, prior knowledge of Python programming is required. So, what are you waiting for? Start your journey today.